hold up. This is Candy Apple TV Podcast. Make sure you subscribe for the best candy apple recipes in town. I'm having too much fun. I get a lot of questions about how to apply for your LLC. So I am going to show you in the easiest way. But first, let's hear a word from our partner. At Tailor Brands, they help you turn your ideas into
businesses by making the process of starting a business into something easy and even fun. Here's how it works. You start by writing down your business name. Tailor will then ask you some questions so it can better understand your business and make the best decisions in order to launch and scale it successfully. Give Tailor a few seconds to compute all the data and voila. The first building block of your business was just created from scratch. But that's not all. Add a bit more information and Tailor will create your online identity for you with a fully personalized website, branded digital business cards, and branded designs for social media. Give Tailor the green light and it will secure your online identity and help you look professional with a domain name and mailbox account. Print business cards and branded merchandise and have them shipped right to your doorstep. And even protect your business by registering your LLC and getting your trademark. And everything happens seamlessly without the hassle and cost of onboarding multiple services. In the past few years, Tailor Brands has helped over 30 million business owners focus on doing what they love. Just ask any of our customers and they'll tell you a similar story. But sometimes all you need in order to do something big is take the first step.
My name is Tiara Skinner, CEO of Bar Level Fitness.
I am the CEO of Mihi.
I am the CEO of Ascendant Frequency.
I am the CEO of Lizzie J Creation.
And I'm the CEO of Creative Enterprise LLC.
I started my business with Tailor Brands.
And I started my business with Tailor Brands.
And I started my business with Tailor Brands.
And I started my business with Tailor Brands.
So once you click on the link down in the description box on Tailor Brands, you want to type in the name of your company and click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, it's going to take you to another screen. Click Continue. This is where you will click on LLC. Next, tell us about your company. So you want to select, will you be selling physical goods, professional services, or if there's something else, you click the bottom and type your own response. Click Next. And I'm going to select physical goods. What's my company's industry? And it's a bakery or candy shop. So the best thing they have is candy shop. You select that, move on. You can tell about your business. It's optional. What's your company's industry? If it's candy apples, you click candy shop, or if it's a bakery, you type in bakery. Now you want to select what stage is your business. If you're already in business, you want to select already in business, or select what applies to your personal situation. Where is your company operating from? Click Next. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? If you're not sure, select Not Sure. If yes, select Yes, or select what applies to you. Is my company currently registered as an LLC or other business entity? If you do not have a LLC, you're going to select No. Next. Let's scratch off things my company already has. So you select what you already have. And this will help you start your own business. Maybe some of you actually need a website and you don't want to build your website. So select what your company doesn't have. And then all you have to do is answer a few more questions and Tailor Brands will apply for your LLC. They can also help you with your EIN, operating agreement, so much, your website, business cards, a lot. So select what applies to you. I am not going to select anything. Select how did you discover Tailor Brands? Scroll down and select YouTube. And that's pretty much it. Now, Tailor Brands will ask you a few questions to help you apply for your LLC, license and permits, logo, sales tax permit, taxes, and accounting. And they can also help you with your EIN as well. You just select what pertains to you because each case will be different. Now, this is the part that I love about Tailor Brands because they will check to see if your business name is available that you selected. Type in your first and last name, telephone number, and email address. Select Next. Like I said previously, Tailor Brands can help you get your EIN. You do need an EIN number to open up a bank account. So if you already have one, you can click Apply for yourself, or you can help Tailor Brands help you. Depending on what state you live in, you may need a registered agent. But it is highly recommended that you use Tailor Brands as your agent. If you decide that you'll appoint a different registered agent, you just select that and select Next. Now, this is just going into details to obtain your LLC. It's a must to designate a registered agent, and this can be yourself as well. Here are some of the advantages that you can have if you select Tailor Brands to be your registered agent. So once your LLC is submitted by Tailor Brands, you'll be charged $199. And that price is about right, especially for a peace of mind. And once you submit your order, the service automatically renews each year, and it's about $249, and it's about $249 if you do it yourself. So it's a win-win situation. You want to keep your LLC compliant. You need to make sure you report everything in order to stay compliant. If you're not good with that, Tailor Brands is probably your best choice. So take a look at some of the advantages. I was just talking about having a peace of mind. One, will give you the peace of mind to focus on your business instead of worrying about state bureaucracy. And two, the most important, Tailor Brands will help you comply and keep your good standing status. Now, you can skip the line and expedite your LLC, and the filing time takes 2 days, or you can just wait the regular 14 days. It's up to you. Just know when you expedite, there's a $49 charge. You can also get your operating agreement, in which you will need. If you can figure that out yourself, just select that. Select what pertains to you and your situation. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial about business and how to apply for your LLC, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.